Welcome to the 5th video of our Supply Chain Analytics series. Supply chain responsiveness is the ability to adjust supply chain activities according to fluctuating demand. Companies with responsive supply chains can fulfill uncertain customer demand without keeping excess inventory and bearing high inventory risk. Companies can establish supply chain responsiveness in alternative ways. When companies reduce the decision lead time, they can reduce their exposure to demand uncertainty by cutting the planning horizon of supply chain activities. This allows decision makers to collect more information on which to base their procurement and production decisions. Although lead time reduction is very effective, it may not be feasible for manufacturers to relocate their production activities closer to the customer. In such cases, companies aim to find alternative ways to establish responsiveness while working with long-distance suppliers. One approach is to have a quantity flexibility arrangement such that the buyer can dynamically adjust initial order quantities from a long-distance supplier within some limits. This allows the buyer to continue refining demand estimates before deciding on the final order quantity. Typically, the minimum order is shipped by ocean freighter, while any remainder is shipped by air cargo to make sure the final order arrives on time. Finally, buyers often utilize a domestic backup supplier in addition to their long-distance suppliers, such that they can order products from the domestic supplier when demand turns out to be high. Using dual sources to procure the products, buyers can benefit from the low cost of the long-distance supplier as well as the responsiveness of the domestic supplier. This in turn helps buyers minimize excess inventory and stockout risks. As there are many alternative approaches to establish responsiveness, quantifying their benefits and costs is very important to develop the right strategy. The uncertainty modeling approach helps characterize the evolutionary dynamics of demand forecasts, which makes it possible to assess alternative responsiveness strategies and choose the best one. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website for updates and for more information on our Supply Chain Analytics book.